doing some simple hook, weight, and bobber, with a piece of worm on there, fishing for some panfish, bluegill, whatever will bite, honestly. And hopefully we'll catch stuff. So yeah, it's a beautiful little area back here. There's a bridge right there, and then it goes down that way. We'll be walking up and down this bank. So yeah, I've also got the GoPro too. So yep, can't think of anything else to say. So let's get hooked up and ready to go. Alrighty, so I can see out in the water a little bit, and I see, and just from also like experience from fishing here in the past, there's like a little rock ledge that is out here, and that's probably where some fishies could be located. So I'm just gonna throw it out there. Oh, there's a whole bunch of minnows right there. Huh. Wish I had a net. I could just swipe it real quick through there. Oh, you know what? There is something right here that's like protruding. I can see it protruding out of the water. That could be the honey hole. Could be. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out, of course. Ooh, right there where I wanted it. Nice. Is that a bite? I can't tell. Now it's floating over the top of it. There we go. I'm using red worms for bait instead of night crawlers because I felt like it. You know what? It's a bit deeper down this area, if I remember correctly, and I can see it. Alrighty. Man, this layout's different from what I remember. I don't know if it's, I don't know. It's weird. Oh, I see one fish over there that I spooked. I'm just looking to see if there's any fish that I can like just visibly see. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, that was awful. That was not what I was wanting. You know, could work. Let's see. I'm just letting it go with the flow down as the water moves. I'm not trying to mess with it or anything. I'm just watching the bobber, seeing if we get any bob bibbles. Uh-oh, I think I'm getting some nibbles. Or that could just be me moving the rod. Either way, exciting content here. A little bit. Oh, whoa, I just got hit. Maybe not, maybe it's not. That spot. Oh, here we go, here we go. We hooked up? Nope, not hooked up. Oh, might scare him away. Hopefully not. Oh, no, he's back. Wait for him to hit. Got him, got him, nice. Dude, that was nice. Hook set and everything, that was nice. What we got, bluegill? The smallest. Oh, look at that. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful red breast sunfish. That is, this is the first one of these that I've caught. He is flared up. Look at those colors. Oh, a beautiful fish. Look at those eyes. He's not happy right now. I might have to pull out my phone to really show off the true beauty of this fish. Oh my gosh. Not a big one, but we're not after big fish. We're just here for anything that bites. And that is an amazing fish. I'm gonna get him unhooked real quick. I'll take a quick video on my phone or a picture possibly. There we go. Let me take a quick video on my phone. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful colors on that. Let's let him go. Whoop. And I don't see where he swam off, but he's off. Alrighty. One fish down. The red breast sunfish. An absolute beautiful fishy. That's the first time I've caught one of those. All right, we're just gonna do what we did last time. I'm not sure if I should cast back over there. I may go ahead and just do it. Why not? What's the harm? Tell that was a bite. Oh, it is a bite. I got something. What is this? It feels like a bass of some kind. Oh, did I lose him? Oh no, I didn't. Oh, look at that. What is that? Oh, it's another one. That's a much better one. Look at that, dude. There you go. That's an even bigger one. Man, that's got a fat belly. I don't know if they're like spawning right now, or about to spawn, I should say. Look at the colors on that. Another really cool fish, guys. This one's even prettier than the first one. Bye-bye. There you go. We still got our worm intact. I thought we were snagged on something. Man, those things fight pretty well. I thought I was fighting a little tiny smallmouth or something, possibly. Guys, I just got another fish. I wasn't even really paying attention. It's another red breast. This one's even smaller. And I was on the phone with my dad, so I didn't film, or I had my camera off, so I apologize. Just got that end part, but just got another one. Red breasts seem to be pretty popular here. Alrighty, that's cool. Didn't really fight much either. I thought I had snagged a rock again. I gotta be. Hold on. Uh-oh. There he goes. He's back. I wonder if I could catch him again. He's sitting right here. Nope. He's like, no, I'm out of here. It's the rocks. Dang it, stupid drag. Why do you keep loosening like that? Come on, homeboy. Oh no, this one's pretty wedged in there. Uh-oh. No, let's not end off our day on a bad note. Come on. Oh, okay. There we go. Just gotta pull on it a little bit. Comes right off. Okay. Everything's still good. Nice platform right here to stand. Dude, that rock right there, you can't tell me there's not at least something sitting under there. And ploop one right over there. Overshot just a little bit, but it's cool. It's fine. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, I got something. I thought I felt a bite. I think it's another sunfish. Oh no, what is this? Oh yeah, it's this is our second species, I think. Oh, look at that. What is that? That I'm actually not familiar with. You guys see that? That looks... Oh, you know what this is? This is what is it, a stripe? No, it's not a striped bass, I'm stupid. What is this, a rock bass? I don't think so. Man, I farted. It stinks so bad. But this one's big enough, it's got a big enough mouth where I can... Whoop, hold on, boy. I don't like finicky fish. Man, look what you did. You made yourself dizzy. You still real quick. Come on, homeboy. Homeboy. Come on, homeboy. Quit playing, homeboy. I'm gonna get a quick picture of this guy before we send him back to his house. There we go. Get a quick pic of this little guy and then we'll send him off. Is that a warmouth? Got a good pic of him. Oh, he is. There he goes. He's sitting right there. He's a good boy. Good boy. Got a nice picture. Gonna conclude our time fishing here. Overall, pretty good. This is the best yield that I've had from this creek for fish. It was really, really fun. And it was nice seeing the those colors on those red breast, and also yeah, sorry, I'm focusing on trying to tie this up. But yeah, that's gonna conclude this. Had a great time just being out here in the right here by the water. It's real nice and peaceful, except for when Rick and people ramrod it down the road on their trucks, those big fat exhausts and everything. Yep, I thought that horn that I heard was my dad, and I'm pretty sure that text is saying that he's here. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna get out of here before I get yelled at. I'm not forgetting anything. See you guys later. Have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for more tractor pulling and fishing videos. Current update on the pulling tractor, it's still in pieces. I need to get the bearing, or the, what is it, the carrier in. But I'm having trouble because I don't have the knowledge really to mess with that, so I might leave that to a professional. But yeah, I gotta get going. And see you guys later. Bye.